In this video, I will show you step by step on how to group your tracks in FL Studio. So guys, do well to join our free music production Telegram group in the description below, where we regularly post tricks, tips and tricks video on how to improve in your music production journey. So in this video, I'm showing you step by step on how to group your tracks in FL Studio. So to group your tracks in FL Studio, the first thing you need to do is to come right to your FL Studio and also screen your different tracks. So I have my drum section here. I also have my chord section. I also have my melody section. So you're going to have an overview of the tracks that you are willing to group. So this particular grouping helps you to organize the tracks in your FL Studio. Probably in your project you have so many tracks and so many sounds in your FL Studio. So this will help you manage them and also help you give you a direction in case you want to make any necessary adjustment in your FL Studio tracks. So you go right here and you come to your tracks. So you're going to, on your keyboard, you're going to press down your shift button and you go to left click on your mouse to give it that selection. So if you click this, you unselect, so you can see. So this is my drum section that I want to put in a group. So to put it in a group, you come here in this menu section and you scroll down, you see group selected. Then the shortcut to that on your keyboard is alternate plus G. So I click and you see it's going to put them in a group and it's telling me to put a title on the group. So since they are my drums, I'm going to basically add drums. Gotcha. So you see, it has put all my drum tracks into one group and titled drums. So to view back all your instruments, you basically need to come here and put it on all, and all your instruments will come out for you to see them. Then I'm also going to group my chords. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press down my shift button on my keyboard. I'm going to click, 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 select all my chord instruments. Then let it be on select. So come to this small menu bar and click on this group selected alternate G. So I group, and 6 is my chord section. So I'm going to title it chords. Beautiful. So it has been grouped into chord. So I'm going to go back and I'll click all to bring out all the instruments. So here are all the instruments. I'm going to also group my melodies. So I'm going to select my melody tracks. And I'm going to go to this menu section and I'm going to click group selected. So I'm going to title it melodies. So you click enter and it has grouped all your melody tracks into the group melody. So when you want to see all your instruments, you basically come right here and you click all and all your instruments will be viewed. And when you come right here, you see all the groups you've created. They are all highlighted here. You see the chord, the drums, the melodies. Then the unsorted are basically the tracks that you didn't put in the groups, that you didn't create group for. So when I click, you see this particular tracks right here is not in the group. That is why it's on unsorted. So I'm going to put it on all to be able to view all my instruments. So right here, when you want to undo the group or you want to edit the group or you also want to add instruments to the group, all you simply need to do is to come right here on this all. Then you click the group. Then after you click the group, you're going to put your cursor on top of the group and you're going to right click. When you right click, you see add featured group. Then you're going to see delete featured group. You're going to see also rename featured group. So when you no longer need the group, you want to delete the group, the first thing you need to do is to click the group, then right click on the group, and you do what? You ungroup if you want to ungroup, like delete the group. So I'm going to ungroup this because of the project I'm in, and I'm going to delete group. Right? So you can see that it has ungroup, and those instruments are outside right now as we ungrouped. And I go back to drum and I want to ungroup the drum. So all I simply do is to right click and I'll click delete, and my drums has been ungrouped. Then I'll go to my melodies. I click melody and I will right click on it and I will delete featured group, and my melodies has been ungrouped. So I'm going to click all. As you can see, all my instruments are out of group. So when you also check here, you discover that the groups are no longer there. So guys, so do well to join our free music production Telegram group. The link is in the description below. There in the group, we regularly post tips and tricks on how to improve on your music production journey, right? Constantly videos on tips and tricks on how to improve on your music production journey. So right here, these are basically this is basically on how to group your tracks in FL Studio, and also on how to ungroup your tracks in FL Studio. So guys, so make sure I see you in the next video. So in the next video too, I'm going to show you how to master your beats in FL Studio. So do well to watch that video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and put on the bell notification so that when I post videos regularly, you can also receive the notification. See you guys in the next video.